Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a TikTok public account. When you first sign up for TikTok, your account is automatically set to public. This means your videos and profile are visible to everyone on the platform. You don't need to do anything special to make it public. It's the default setting. If you ever decide you want more privacy, you can easily change this in your settings later on. To begin, download the TikTok app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose your preferred sign-up method, such as using your email address or phone number. Follow the prompts to create a unique username that represents you, and be sure to set a strong, secure password to protect your account. It's a quick and easy process to get started. With a public account, your content has the potential to reach a vast global audience, allowing more people to discover and enjoy your videos. This setting enables others to easily follow your profile, like your posts, and leave comments, fostering community engagement. For aspiring creators or businesses, a public account is crucial for growth and visibility on the platform. While your account is public by default, it's a good practice to regularly review your privacy settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and liking their interactions. To keep your followers engaged and grow your presence, aim to post new content consistently. This helps maintain interest and visibility on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.